Hi there everyone, back with another video, and in this video we will be learning all about for off loop in JavaScript. Before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and also hit that bell button so that you will be notified whenever I come up with a new video. So now guys, what does this thing do is, the for of loop does is, it loop through the values of strings, arrays and much more. So these are the iterable stuff or iterable objects that we call in JavaScript. So for of loop will be used to iterate strings and arrays and much more like node list and map, some kind of advanced thing. So in this video we'll be having just an examples with respect to strings and arrays using for of loop. So again guys, it is very similar to for in loop. So now if I have something like var str, so this is a string, so what I'm gonna do here is I will just say hi hello as a string, which will be stored in str. So now if I have some kind of a for off loop just like this, let me say a loop variable as I, and I of str is, for every iteration inside this loop, what it does is it iterates every character by character inside the string. So in the first loop, the I value will be h. In the second loop, the I value will be I, and it goes on till O. So now what I'm gonna do here is I'll just console it to the log the value of I. Let me see for each iteration what will be the value of I with respect to str. So if I just refresh the browser, guys, as you can see here, for every iteration we are getting h I, h e l l o, right? So this is how we will iterate through the string with the help of for off loop in JavaScript. So similarly, if I have something like, I will just comment this. So similarly, if I have some kind of arrays in JavaScript, just like I'll just say arr is an array, and what I'm gonna do here is I will inside this array I will have 1 2 3 and 4 and 5, some kind of a random values for that inside this array. So I'll just change the value over here, so it's arr. So now guys, what will be the output of I for every iteration? It will be the values of each individual elements inside array. So if I just refresh the browser, and as you can see, it's 1 2 3 4 and 5. That's it. So for of loop is used to loop through the values of string and array and much more. So much more in the sense it can be used in maps and it can be used in node lists. So that we won't be demonstrating that in this video. And this is it guys, this is it all about for of loop used for strings and arrays. I hope that this is very simple, and I hope that you got this concept of for of loop in JavaScript. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe and also hit that bell button so that you won't miss all my future videos and tutorials and courses and all of the things. And please like and share and subscribe. That's it. So see you in the next video.